Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the iris echo stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 4 chains. Into the next one, you're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into that next chain. There's that first set of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet all into that same chain. You're now going to skip 4 chains. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet into that chain all together. So this is going to be our sequence. You're now going to start repeating from here. We're going to skip 4 chains and make this 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, skip 4 chains, and then make 3 double crochet only. So we're going to skip 4 chains into this next one. We're going to make that 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 5 chains left. You're going to skip 4 like you had been doing. Into this last chain, you're going to make 3 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. Into each of the first 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet. So with those chains, this is going to be 3 double crochet, which matches these 3 double crochet underneath. Make 1 chain. You're going to skip to the next chain space from our previous 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Into this chain space, make a single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all into that same space. Now you're going to make 1 chain, skip over to this next set of 3 double crochet by itself, and make 1 double crochet into each of those stitches. Make 1 chain. Skip over to this next previous chain space, make that single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. Make a chain. You're going to skip to your last set of 3 double crochet, so it's going to be 2 stitches and then these chains over here, which are going to count as a double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into each, so you're going to have 3 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. So each of our rows are going to begin the same. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. Into each of the first 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet. So then all together with those chains, this counts as 3 double crochet. So this is going to match all the way down. Now we're going to skip over to this next chain space. We're going to be working what we worked in row 1. We're going to make this 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet all into this chain space. Now we're skipping over to these 3 double crochet by themselves. We're going to make 1 double crochet into each of those 3 stitches. Now moving over to this next chain space, we're going to make that 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into this space together. Then same thing from our last row, you're going to have 2 stitches and some chains left at the end of your row. We're going to need to make those 3 double crochet like we had been doing that are all going to stack together. So work 1 double crochet into each of the stitches. And then these chains counted as a double crochet. So into the tops of these chains, you're going to make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the iris echo stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.